Stephen, this is the landfill tax.
Yep.
How is that going to affect the waste hierarchy?
Well, again, it's a very simple, blunt instrument, but it's worked very well in terms of diverting waste away from landfill. However, we think there are further changes that can be made to that. For example, in Ireland, in the Republic of Ireland, you are able to send stabilized organic waste from the residual sector into landfill at a reduced level of landfill tax. You're not paying the full amount because you've stabilized that material. It's got to meet a threshold in terms of a test to demonstrate that, and you're then not generating methane, etc. So it's that kind of approach. It needs to be a little bit more nuanced to help encourage additional treatment of waste. So if it is going to landfill, actually what you're putting there is a material that isn't going to generate further methane when it hits the landfill. So you're getting a benefit then of having a reduced tax, and at the same time still putting the tax up further on other residual waste that goes to landfill that is still going to cause an issue. And I think encouraging where materials can be recycled, encourage them through. Again, it could be quite simply that if they're some of the inert material that could be of a higher tax because it keeps it out of going to landfill. There are beneficial uses for it. So we think it's good to review it. I think it's been very successful in driving the sort of the development of the sector and keeping and reducing waste away from landfill, but I think it could be more nuanced now to help encourage some of these additional treatments that if it has to go that way, you're doing something to it to make it less damaging to the environment.